Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here for Ethereum. We are trading at $1,703. 24-hour volume, we are up 56.41%. Market cap, we are down 8.95%. So heading over to the chart here, we can see on a daily time frame that I am, and I'm going to go into 4 hours for this quick video update. We can see already on a daily factor, we have actually sliced right through our fib chart at the 1817 and then actually coming back down here. I'm hoping that we hold roughly around this area of support of 1667. We can see already the candlestick itself today has actually a low of 1677 here. So the 1655 is going to be an area of support. We can already see on a daily average some of these candlestick wicks at the very bottom here on July 29th. We can see August 7th and then August 9th and then August 10th as well. So again, this is going to be another area of high confluence, meaning a lot of people are going to see if the price bounced very nicely at this factor. On a daily average, however, we can see that the histogram or this bar is actually twice the size of the previous bar, and this may actually be the start of the trend, which is the bear trend. So if we are in a bear trend itself on a daily time frame, we can see the MACD and the signal line is actually above 0%, which again does help in the uptrend. Now, if we're taking a look at the MACD indicator here, we can see the spaces in between is quite far away, meaning that the switch over of a potential bear market into a bull market may not happen in the next couple of days or so. We need to be able to see these lines come together for us to signal that the trend may be over and is going to flip pretty soon. So what we need to monitor on a daily average is just making sure that these histograms or these bars itself is getting smaller in size and lighter in color, especially near this area of support at the 1665. If again, this is only the start of this trend, it is going to slice right through this, and the next area of support that we are going to see is generally around the 1592 here. Now we're going to go into a 4-hour time frame and take a look at what's happening. So as we see the Bollingers expanding, we saw the Bollinger Bands kind of tightly squeeze in this interval. We saw a rejection around the 20 MA, and here is our rejection downwards. Take a look at these candlesticks hugging the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We would have thought that the price would actually, pull up from this area. We would have had a pullback scenario happen. But again, because the momentum is currently ramping up with these bars getting stronger and stronger as the time interval goes away, we may not pick up that enough strength, especially when our RSI is only at 3% and 1%. We did see, however, at this candlestick at the very bottom here, observed that our RSI is actually crossed over. So our RSI is crossed over. We can see this huge wick at the very top and this big wick at the very bottom. So there is kind of pulling and pushing on either sides. What we need to be able to establish now is this a signal that the trend is over? Now, if this is indeed a signal that the trend for the bear side is over at a crucial area where we're currently at for the price near an area of support, price is going to come up. And where we're hoping that the price comes up is hoping to get it roughly around the 61% here. So as we see this fib chart, we can see the previous candle try to exceed the 61%. It is more than 50% from this candlestick here. However, the body's quite small, so I don't think the aggression is going to be as big as we wanted to. But the key thing is having that MACD switch over at this area here. We need to get the 78% and then come into the 61% itself. So that is my update for Ethereum. We still have a few key factors to see if we're able to do a pullback or a reverse at this level of support. If we're not going to hold on this area of support, then the next again is going to be roughly around this area here. Roughly around the 665 that I mentioned to you. So that is my video update for Ethereum, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.